Hello, Grange EYFS, Early Years Foundation Stage, Children of Grange, in nursery and reception at Grange, in the Olade Aquino class, in the Sojourner Truth class, in the Bob Marley class, in the Greta Thunberg class, and in the Alan Turing class. All of you are children of Grange. So we know at Grange what we believe, what's really important. We say, and do this with me, everybody, good listening, kind words, great actions. And because we love Spanish at Grange, when you're older, you'll learn Spanish at Grange. Well, we have our CC way, so do this with me. Confidence for myself, consideration for others and for the world around us. And because we love Spanish at Grange and we're going to learn Spanish when we're older, we say, sí, vamos, which means let's go, let's be CC learners, let's learn really well. And here are the children who deserve a extra special shout out this last week because your teacher said you were gold CC learners. Zara H, Ashvi, Hala, Mariglena, Nur, Kavish, Amira, Baran, Antonia, and Jinan. And a special shout out because in the assemblies for the older children, I always put the top 30 CC class charts points, children who got so many points, top 30 in the whole school. And Aliyah R in Greta Thunberg class, you were in there. So great shout out to you, Aliyah. And also you were on the student council, and student council is when the children come and you're like the eyes and the ears of the teachers and educators and school staff, because we don't always see things the way children see things. But the student council brings what the children really, really feel is important to them and tells it to me and Miss Lang, who's a teacher in year 2 at Grange. She helps me as well. And we listen and we can make the school better for all of you children. So well done, Aliyah. You are the Grange EYFS student counselor. So that's amazing. Now, the one message I wanted to get across to you this week was it's Ramadan. Now, Ramadan is very, very special for Muslim children. And many of our children at Grange are Muslim. And what that means is that it's a special time. All their families are not eating or drinking during the day if they are grown up. Not if you're a little child in EYFS, but if you're a bit grown up, then you don't eat or you don't drink. And somebody explained that so beautifully to me this week. She said, and that was one of our year 6 pupils, she said that Muslims fast in Ramadan so they can get in the shoes, that's a metaphor, they can get in the shoes of homeless people and feel what it's like to not have food. So we can do better and help everybody. But the thing is, not only that, at night there's the iftar and the whole family eats together. Sometimes in the morning, get up extra early to eat. The whole month of Ramadan, which was the month when the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, got given the Quran, the holy book, by the angel Jibril. Now, if you're a Muslim, you probably know all this and you understand all this. But if you're not, at our school, what we love at our school is we're all different and we have wonderful diversity. That means we're all different. Then you might see somebody doing something and you might not understand what is going on. Now, if you see somebody doing something and you don't understand what's going on, then you don't say, "What you doing?" What you do is you ask with respect. You could say, let's say, you could say, "That looks interesting. Could you tell me more about it?" Or you could say, "Wow, I've never heard about Ramadan. Could you tell me more about it, please?" And if you ask from your heart, then it will touch the heart of the person you're asking, and it will make our whole one world better. So remember, children, at Grange, we have our C way. And because of that, one day you will grow up. Maybe you'll even be old like me, And when people ask you, how come you're so kind? How come you're so respectful? How come you're so good at making the world a better place? You'll say, it's because I went to Grange. So remember, children, let's be great. Let's be Grange.